Niraj. I'm a student from NIT Varangal. Okay. So I'll give a student's perfect perspective regarding the workshop. So this workshop was very interesting for me. I'm from computer science background, and I always thought that electronics is boring because you see 8051 microcontroller, nothing happens. You just study about its pin and learn how to plug in stuff like that, but nothing really happens in engineering college as far as I know. So to me electronics was very boring. On the other hand, computer science was very interesting because you see a lot of application you do. Every day you use a lot of things which are directly related to programming or computer science. You go to internet, you use a lot of interesting websites. So computer science was very interesting for me, and electronics was equally boring because it requires labor but it does not produce anything significantly good. So this workshop was like kind of a turnaround for me. Like I actually saw how things work and how you can actually program a robot to do stuff for me, and this was really fun. And there, like in my opinion, one more integration this workshop I would like to have would be like how you design this robot from the initial stage. Like you must have tried a lot of stuff which would not work, which would have failed, and then you would got the correct thing to work for you. And that learning procedure, everyone would have to go through it, and some people will stop in the beginning. But if you tell us the experience in the first day or maybe somewhere, you can even document it, how you went through the process of designing robot. Like I see this robot, it can be modified in different ways. It can be modified to perform different tasks, and that requires thinking in the initial stage that our robot has not to be particular job specific. It has to have the ability to be modified. So how do you design it, and how do you change it? Like if I want to do something else, how do I start? Why did you make it in the way it is? Okay, and that is one thing I would like to have. And another thing, if I were a teacher, I would teach it in first year because that is the time when like people are more excited about anything. Like they come into engineering college and they see like, okay, this is my 8051 microcontroller in second year, and it does not do any stuff. And by third year, they are pretty old. So if I were like a teacher, so I would teach it in first year. Because I will at least show that okay, this is possible. You can do this. So like when we are kids, we see things and then we try to inquire about them. But when we reach engineering college, we are taught things and we are never taught what really happens with that. So that is like the reverse of the natural process. So that makes things pretty boring. But this like if we teach it, if anybody teaches it in first, if anybody shows it in first year, then people will be really excited. So that's it.